of my videos in your channel Silver Economy, continuing what we started about what to do in a case of a crisis and how to get ready for it. As you see, I have here for you all the way in the back one of my days going to the gun range. On the right is what I did with the rifle, and on the left is what I did with the gun. Not too bad, I guess. And this is the hat from my favorite gun store, Capella. I want to show you today, a shotgun, rifle, high point. This stuff performs actually more than much better than what I hear about. I got it because it's very reasonable price. I love the tactical design, how smooth it operates and handle. It's awesome. Really, I loved it. I can control very well. It's very accurate. It has 10 rounds, 9mm. It's so powerful. Very nice gun to own. I think that if you one time need to go hunting, this will be really enough, because some people say that 9mm, that they talk about the stopping power and some complicated stuff and the velocity and and all that. You can see I have these standard rounds. The 9mm goes usually for the 115. They have less. They have like the 95, but I don't buy those. The flat, the full metal jacket, rounded tip, front. But if you're gonna talk about the stopping power and all that stuff, just get the 9mm with the heavier grain, the 147, which is almost like the size 40. The 40 starts at 149. So 2 grains, is nothing. This is like a 40, with the flat, front tip, Remington UMC. And you can still use the 9 round, which is, have been tried and used, by the law enforcement, for years. And, this is just some of the rounds that I, empty rounds that I fire, before. Yeah. I think that's how we do it. I like to unite my ammo. just get different grains. And I also have for you the high point 9mm. This is the paperwork, back and everything. I have another video before I showed the Springfield with the long muzzle, the 4.5. In this one, I got the short muzzle because it's already heavier gun. So there is no need to get the the bigger one of this kind. Nice. It performs well. It has a lifetime warranty. You can return it at any time, kill it and return it at any time. It's just it's a good deal. A couple $100. You can you can't go wrong with the high point. Price wise, performing wise, that's my experience with it. Some of the tools that you will need, one of the important tools is this speed loader. Instead of going round by round just like that, and let me tell you that your fingertips gets worn out. See this one, just do it and press, do it another, do it one, we try again. What happened? What happened to me? Yes, here we go. So yeah, speed loader. They probably have it in the gun range too, but it's good to have yours in case you're in the wild, you're not in the training. In case you're in the open air. Just a little something that I want to add here is the BDX1 Defender. As long as we're speaking about the weight and the size, I believe that this can stop a bear very easy. See, it's also 147 grain, almost like a 40. See the numbers here, the velocity, the speed, and the damage. So this is one of the reasons that I go for the 9mm. You can get the powerful ones, you can get the medium ones, you can get the weak ones for training if you want to be cost efficient. So yeah. We used to use these safety glasses for indoors. This is for protect for more recoil, and this for clear sight. I used to use these for the outdoors. To protect your eyes. The mask, wasn't really something common in the gun range. But let me tell you, when you go to the gun range, you really smell some gunpowder. I think it wasn't common before, and maybe it will be recommended now, and probably mandatory. I don't know how it's gonna look, after all this, finish and goes back to normal. This is some tools that you will need to clean your gun. You can put it together, make it long for a rifle, just as long as you need for your gun. These are the oil and the liquids, the proper stuff for the gun. It won't stick in there. Keep it smooth, long life. I got this scope. As soon as I got it, the whole thing started. I really never got a chance to put it on my rifle gun back here. We'll probably do, as soon as we go back. We're so excited already. If you're going back and if you're going, long in the woods, carry some power bank with you to keep communication. I recommended the flashlight before in another video, but this stuff that goes over the head is more practical. If you need to use both hands, you will need to protect your ears. You don't want to lose your hearing, really. And here in my cleaning bag, I also keep the earplug. This is a chain with some knives, some tools, some opener, compass. This is the one that goes, that sticks to the hat. It goes like this. Very nice too. And if you got some, if you hunt something, you're really gonna need this. This is a hunting knife with some survival package, matches, and a hook for fishing. And I have a whole set of fishing tools. I showed it before another video. So let's keep this for real emergency. And you will need maybe a machete just to cut the trees out of your way. And I would like to end this video here with showing you another gold coin, a proof one. I showed you another video before, a 2008 half silver eagle, certified. This is a 2010 with the certificate and the box. Like I said, you get this stuff only on a deal. I didn't pick 2010, it was a random year. And like I said, it was almost the same price, same premium, like on a regular coin. Yeah, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.